Hi everyone, this is a project which we have done in our PE. It's a virtual reality based 3D social networking and virtual interaction. It's a project based on Google Cardboard, and you can see the Google Cardboard if you don't know it. It's a VR device from Google. It's basically made from cardboard, and the phone will be kept on in this one, and it can be viewed using the user can view it, and the phone there will be dual screen. The screen will be split into two parts, so that it will be when you keep it in the cardboard, it will be visible as 3D environment. So here you can see the working of the cardboard. Here there are two lenses in this one, and the screen will be split into two. So now when the user sees through this one, it will be visible as a single. Yeah, here is the eye. It will be visible as a single, and it will render it will change the rendering of the screen depending on the user's head. If the user is looking at the left side in his real world, it will render the stuff which is there in the left side in the virtual world. So here you can see what actually this is how the screen will be. There will be dual screen split. The same content will be there in both the screens with a slight alignment, so that it will look like a 3D. So the main platform which we are using to develop app here is Unity. We are using Unity game engine. You can see over here. It's a game engine we are using to we develop the whole environment using this engine, and we have characters in this. Each user who joins this environment will be a character. So you can that character will have separate an avatar. It will have like a body. We will get back to that one a bit later when we show the demo. So now we have used another thing we have used here is the SDK, cardboard SDK. That's from Google. They have released a plugin for Unity. Even they have another for normal basic Android coding also. This which we have used is actually the Unity plugin. We have imported into Unity, and that actually what it does is basically it will take the phone's angle, the angle in which the user is actually looking. If the user is looking at the left side, it will detect where actually the user is looking. Those steps is done by Unity plugin. Then other thing we are using is networking API. That is used for networking all the users. Like in here, what we have done is there will be multiple users, multiple clients will be there. They will join the server. So these networking between those clients and the synchronization between those clients will be done using the Unity's networking plugin. It's API, sorry. So now we'll jump into the demo. Here actually we have this bottom screen which you have seen will act as a single client. Here now hit play. I will just maximize this one. Now we have two options of either creating a room or listing a room. So here I will just create the room. Now this is the screen which will be visible by the user. I just minimize it. Here you can see the user has spawned. Here this is the user 1, and that is in the laptop. Now I will just switch on my phone. Now you can see that's my phone over there. I'll just start the same on my phone. That's another client. Select as another client. Now in this also we have two options as create a room or list room. I will list the room in this one. Now you can see there is project text. I will just join it. Now this is the second user. This is the second user. You can see. Now when I move my head up down, you can see how it is rendered on the phone and how it is synchronized across the network. Now I'll just place this into the cardboard. Now even if, I can move in this one also, my character, and I'll see the other character. Now even the second user can even move. Now you can see. Now you can see the user, you can move around. We have connected using a Wi-Fi keyboard, and that's how, or you can use a joystick also. Now even you can interact with the different environments in the, like we have implemented one thing, that is interacting with the door. Like it can go and open the door. If we move near the door and press the key E, you can see the door has opened. Yeah. We'll just move forward. We can move around the environment. That's one implementing. That's one way of interaction we have implemented. The other, we are planning to implement such many more implementation techniques. One more technique which is in the plans is to use the back camera of the phone and to detect the hand. Since when the user is wearing a cardboard, the hands will be free. The user can use his hands to interact, and so we are planning to synchronize those hand gestures across the platform, like across whole, like other users will be able to see the hand movement in the virtual world. That we are planning to do using the behind camera of the cardboard, so that it will detect all those hand movements and it will synchronize it across the network. That's what we are planning to do it's in the future enhancements, future work. Other thing what we are planning to do is the object detection. In object detection, we are planning to detect each objects, like for example the wall. One problem with like wall, or it may be table or something, so that it will interact like we can interact with the the book or the table, or like maybe writing something on that using the gestures. It will detect the gestures and it will draw something. This will be mainly helpful for teachers, like they can move near the board in the virtual environment, and then they can write something on that. That will be synchronize everything, like across all the networks. That was the idea. So that's all we have to show here. Thank you.